Tired of stale snacks, messy pantries, or dry goods going bad too fast? You're not alone. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 airtight food storage containers that'll help you organize your kitchen, keep food fresh longer, and actually make your pantry look Insta-worthy. Let's dive into the best options you can grab online right now. And remember, I've added the latest and best Amazon deals for every product featured in this list. You'll find them in the description and pinned comment below. So if one catches your eye, just scroll down and check it out. Number 5. Pantry Star 3-pack 5.2-liter airtight containers. If you need storage for your big-ticket ingredients like flour, sugar, or rice, the Pantry Star 5.2-liter containers are a fantastic place to start. These are generously sized containers. Each one can hold up to 176 ounces, which is more than enough for your go-to dry goods. Whether you're a weekend baker or someone who loves to buy pantry staples in bulk, this set was made for you. What makes these special is the 4-sided locking lids paired with a silicone gasket, ensuring an airtight seal that keeps moisture, pests, and air out. That means your ingredients stay fresher for longer. Goodbye stale flour or hard sugar lumps. Made of BPA-free, durable plastic, they're built to last and safe for food. They're also stackable, so you can maximize vertical space in your cabinets. And since they're fully transparent, you don't have to guess what's inside. A quick glance tells you exactly what's running low. This container's super roomy, ideal for bulk dry goods. Crystal clear design makes food easy to identify. Very tight seal with snap locks and silicone gasket. Number 4. Veronis 10-pack tall airtight storage containers. For those who want both quantity and style, the Veronis 10-pack tall storage containers offer a sleek way to overhaul your pantry. This set gives you 10 matching canisters, perfect for storing cereal, grains, snacks, pasta, and more. And each container is designed with a tall, slim profile to help save space. The airtight lids feature 4-side locking mechanisms, and the included silicone rings create a vacuum seal that keeps food crisp and dry. The containers are crafted from high-grade, BPA-free plastic, so they're both safe and durable. Whether you're organizing a deep cabinet or an open pantry shelf, they give everything a clean, uniform look. You also get chalkboard labels and a white marker in the box, which is a nice touch if you want that organized aesthetic. No more guessing which white powder is flour and which one is baking soda. This set includes 10 containers, great value. Tall, slim design fits snugly in cabinets. Comes with labels and marker for easy organization, but maybe too narrow for large scoops or oversized ingredients. Not as versatile in shape if you need shorter containers. Number 3. Pracky 24-piece airtight food storage set. If you're aiming for a complete kitchen transformation, the Pracky 24-piece set is hands down one of the best all-in-one solutions on Amazon. This bundle includes containers in 4 different sizes, giving you maximum flexibility to store everything from spaghetti and cereal to nuts, coffee, beans, and more. Each container features a tight-sealing 4-side locking lid and a food-safe silicone gasket to maintain freshness and keep out moisture and pests. Made from shatter-resistant BPA-free plastic, they're also easy to clean and built to last. What sets this set apart is the thoughtfulness. It comes with 24 reusable chalkboard labels, a marker, and even a measuring spoon set. So not only are you getting functional containers, but also everything you need to create a Pinterest-perfect pantry. But not ideal for liquids, strictly dry goods. Number 2. Chef's Path 6.5-liter extra-large airtight containers 2-pack. If bulk storage is your top priority, check out the Chef's Path extra-large airtight containers. Sold as a 2-pack, each container holds up to 6.5 liters, 220 ounces, making them perfect for serious bakers or anyone who buys in bulk. These containers have a sleek, modern appearance with 4 locking tabs on the lids and a silicone gasket to ensure an airtight and leak-proof seal. They're great for storing flour, rice, oats, pet food, or anything you need in large quantities. And yes, they're stackable and space-efficient even at their larger size. Each set also comes with measuring scoops, chalkboard labels, and a marker, giving you a full system for smart storage. Number 1. VTopMart 24-piece airtight food storage container set. Our number one pick is the ultra-popular VTop Mart 24-piece Airtight food storage set, which offers the best blend of capacity, variety, durability, and design. This set includes 4 container sizes, letting you store everything from flour and sugar to nuts, candies, crackers, and even coffee. The BPA-free plastic is clear and shatter-resistant, and the black locking lids create a sleek, modern vibe that fits any kitchen decor. What really makes this set shine is the attention to usability. Each container has a wide mouth for easy scooping and pouring, and they all seal tightly to prevent moisture from sneaking in. You also get 24 labels and a marker, which help keep everything organized down to the last grain of rice. This is an all-in-one pantry solution that delivers on aesthetics, convenience, and food freshness, all for an accessible price, but not microwave or dishwasher safe. So there you have it, the top 5 airtight food storage container sets that will completely upgrade your pantry game. Whether you want a few large canisters or a full 24-piece setup, these options have you covered. Which set fits your kitchen best? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss more kitchen finds from Consumer Heaven.